everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to get Vavada promo codes or bonus codes, however you say it. So one way you can get them is always like head over to Google and just search for Vavada promo codes 2024 like so, and then all the websites that will come up, you can click on them. As you can see, we've got chippy.com and they have like this bonus code and you can like read others of these. And then we have over here, as you can see, promo codes is EVN, things like that. You just need to like search over these websites. Another one, as you can see, it says like get bonus, like promo code. If I click on reveal, it's gonna tell me to do a few tasks, things like that. And then we have this website and you need to like do a few. This is only available in Europe. And then we have this website, promo code airdrop for June 2024, as you can see. And then we have again chippy 100. You can try this one. And then finally we've got these 20 FS and then up to 10% cashback, all these things that you can get from Regal Naples, this website. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.